Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to do a little tutorial on how to use DALL-E AI to create images for your social media and to create some content. Now in this video, it's just going to cover the basics of how to use DALL-E to create unique images that will be great for posting on your social media page. Check it out in this video. All right, so in the first step, you just have to access DALL-E AI. You can do this on your preferred search engine by just typing in DALL-E, that's DALLE AI. Type that in on your preferred search engine. It'll take you up to the website. It's gonna ask you to sign up for an account. You can do so just by following the prompts on the screen. All right, now once you've signed up for an account, the way to use DALL-E is you can prompt it to create an image just by typing in keywords or a whole phrase of what you want to do. So for example, I could type in dog laying on a couch. And I could say I want that dog to be brown, black, white, and it'll do it. And we're gonna do that in this example right here. All right, now once we've entered dog laying on the couch, right? Brown dog laying on the couch, right? Now we can see the 4 images that DALL-E created for us, and then we can decide which one really looks like the dog we envisioned. And then we can download that image and now create an Instagram post or a Facebook post and post that image. All right, now there you have it. Very simple. You know how to use DALL-E AI thanks to DMV Computer Man. So look, don't forget, the possibilities are endless. You can play around with the prompts, play around with the parameters. You can make any image that you can think of. The possibilities are endless.